Alright, I'm showing you the Cane Creek free hub assembly, which came off a Volos. Just so you know, I am not a certified bike mechanic, but I wanted to share this video because there is little to no information about this online. So you might know what to expect if you are to take apart one of these. So there's two paws, and they fit. There's 3 slots, but three like divots, but only 2 slots for paws, which is a little bit confusing. I'm not too sure why. And the spring, which activates the paws, is actually this circular thing, and it fits in this groove and presses them back out. Not too hard to figure out. Now this one looks a little bit worn with this wear on the free body, but I have no idea how to replace this for such an old wheel set, so I'm just gonna keep it. As for repairing, so why am I doing this? So the free hub, the bearings work great. The free hub's not spinning freely. So I went ahead and when I took it apart, it was filled with assembly grease, which I'm not sure what the correct grease to use is, but my assumption is that it should be mineral oil. So I'm actually going to use mineral oil when I repair it, and hopefully it will work better. And of course I will clean these out. If you're not aware, it uses this preload adjustment ring. Now, I will also say I couldn't do this for the longest time because this joint right here was seized, the bolt, where the end cap screw in, it was actually seized. So I used this penetrating catalyst, and with that I was actually able, so I inserted it through the end, poured it in, bounced the wheel around, spun it around, waited like 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe, and then with enough torque, it was still quite a bit, I was able to get this off finally, and finally get to repairing this. But this is the inside. I need to clean the axle still, but this is what the inside looks like, and I will be repairing with not assembly grease, mineral oil, and we'll see how that works. So I fitted the little ring piece over them, and I should have taken it before, but I did not. Let me focus that. But there's a lot of assembly grease, and these wouldn't, now they just bounce right back up. Before they really didn't. Actually, that one. Okay, I think I figured this out. I think these 2 grooves are supposed to go in this 3rd divot, so I'm gonna fix that. And then I'm gonna use mineral oil, put that back in, and then use assembly grease for all the bearing contact surfaces, which also means this contact surface right here, all the way, this whole silver piece you can see. Now, I will also be cleaning out the inside of the hub assembly. As you can see, there's a lot of grease where the paws go. Put everything back together. Nothing too difficult. Just, close the paws and just click it back in. Fairly straightforward. The screwing the end caps, probably because they were so seized before, posed an issue. But this together, so now I'm going to tighten this adjusting ring. I don't know if I can do it while holding the camera. I'll just give you the gist of it. You tighten it like this, and it preloads the bearings. And you're supposed to have it all the way unscrewed when you put it together. But, yep, I hope my many hours of frustration has led to an improved hub. You'll see. Alright, so I've put everything back on the cassette. I'll give it a spin. Not great at all, but I will say, and I should have taken before videos, I did not, but this is a huge improvement to before, so we'll see what happens when I put it on the bike. but at least it wasn't for absolutely nothing. So was there an improvement? It still goes backwards when I pedal backwards. So I don't really know, maybe not. A little bit disappointed, to be honest. But it's definitely better than before. Which, you know what? I'll take what I can get. Also, this is my bike. Built it from the frame with a zombie. It's my Frankenstein. Oh, that's what I should have called it, Frankenstein.